Good morning students, my name is Khushbu and I welcome you back. I hope you all are fit and fine and taking all the necessary precautions against COVID-19. So, did you understand the chapter properly? And have you learned the word meanings or not? I hope you have learned all the word meanings and you understood the chapter. Yesterday I have given you one homework. Have you done that work? The exercise A. So those who have done that work, they will recheck it with me, and those who have not done, they will do the work in their books right now. But from next time you have to complete your homework on the given day only. Open page number 44. Question number A. Rearrange these sentences by numbering them in the order in which the events happen in the story. Let's read out all the sentences first and then we will rearrange it. His lazy brothers resolved to work hard from that day on. Tanyan worked hard in the farm while his brothers ate and slept all day. The old woman asked Tanyan to remove all the stars from the pool. The next day, the old lady gave him a huge farm. One day, Zoshu decided to go out and seek his fortune. By evening, Zoshu gave up and came back home. Tanyan returned home a rich man, but he too gave up soon, and they lived happily for the rest of their lives. At last, it was Tanyan's turn and he reached the old woman's hut. Next, Penhan decided to try his luck and left home. Tanyan worked all night and emptied the pool. So let's recall whole story and then arrange it together. So first, what happened? Tanyan worked hard in the farm while his brothers ate and slept all day. Write here number 1. What happened? One day Zoshu decided to go out and seek his fortune. So write here 2. Next, by evening, Zoshu gave up and came back home. He was unable to seek his fortune. Number 3. Next, what happened? Next, Penhan decided to try his luck and left home. After Zoshu, Penhan decided to go now. So write here number 4. But he too gave up soon. He was also unable to find his fortune. Write number 5. Then at last it was Tanyan's turn and he reached the old woman's hut. As Zoshu and Penhan went to seek their fortune, so it was Tanyan's turn now. So write here number 6. What happened there? The old woman asked Tanyan to remove all the stars from the pool. Write here number 7. Tanyan worked all night and emptied the pool. Number 8. Then what happened? The next day, old lady gave him a huge farm. Right? Remember this story? Write here number 9. Then after getting huge farm, Tanyan returned home a rich man. As he got a huge farm, he became rich man. Number 10. This his brothers also decided to work hard. Remember, they also realized that they should also work hard. So his lazy brothers resolved to work hard from that day on. Write it in your book. Number 11. That's what happened, and they lived happily for the rest of their lives. Write number 12. If you heard the explanation of the chapter properly, then I don't think there should be any mistake. Now open your notebooks, and today we will write word meanings in the notebook. Start with today's date, that is 9th July 2020. Then write here class work, and here you have to write chapter number 6. Then in next line write the three brothers, and then in next line word meanings. Let's start with first word, that is meager. Underline the word. Write the meaning. Means very small. Next one is exhausted. Underline the word and write very tired. Number third is humbly. Underline the word. Humbly means politely. Complete your work in neat and clean handwriting. Number fourth is fortune. Underline the word fortune. Means, remember, those three brothers went out to seek their fortune. So fortune means wealth and success. Number fifth and the last one is resolved. Underline the word and write decided or promised. Complete all these word meanings in your fair notebook. Next you have to do your homework. So turn the page, write date like this, homework like this, again chapter number 6, the three brothers, and your homework is make sentences. You have to make sentences of the same words we have done for word meanings. First one meager, second exhausted, third humbly, fourth fortune, and number fifth resolved. Learn all the word meanings properly and complete your homework on time. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to mention your name, class and section in comment box for your attendance. Have a nice day.